Hey Pat, I'm here at the condo. The seller asked me to come take some video of a couple things to make sure that you're going to be happy and satisfied with the repairs that she wants to do, that her and Bill have been talking about. But first of all, look, they got equipment out here and they're doing some stuff to that island. Man, does that look different. I really hope whatever they're doing will make it family friendly and kind of have a place where kids can go have fun or whatnot. That looks kind of neat so far. So anyway, back to the issue at hand. Apparently under this post and that corner post, I believe that there's some rotting wood. And so what she would like to do, and what her and Bill have talked about, is basically coming in here and cutting it. I might be off a little bit, cutting the vinyl around there, exposing this, fixing the rotted wood that's under there, and then basically replacing this Duradeck with a seam. So you'd have a seam here versus tearing the entire piece of vinyl off. I told her I did not think that that would be an issue that anybody would be too concerned about, but she asked me to run it by you to make sure that what they're planning on doing you'll be satisfied with. That has been the hang up for 2 days, and so she's just stressing over it. And so that's the deal. Let me know what you think, if we think that would be okay.